Just hook it up there so it doesn't come undone.
The what?
Hook it up there so it doesn't come undone. Here. Will fall in like it did. Hello, girl.
Oh, you poor girls, you're hungry. The one hasn't fed you. Eh? Hasn't the one fed you? Eh? We'll put you into that nice paddock, eh? Oh, you promise you won't go into the other one? Eh? Oh, I can't put him in there, I haven't set it up yet. Eh?
Come running.
Mm-hmm.
Come running.
I can't put you into this other one. Eh? You haven't set it up yet.
Matt.